Glenn Fournier, an employee at Montana Rescue Mission, finds fulfillment at his job.
I started out as a men's mission manager and then eventually became the program director for both the women, over the top of the women's shelter and the men's mission as well.
But he says disagreements with former executive director Matt Lundgren led him to leave the position 7 years ago.
We just didn't see eye to eye, and so I decided to resign.
Lundgren was fired in September following an internal investigation. While the nonprofit has not specified the reasons, Fournier says there were quite a few.
A lot of confusion. There was the wrong people in the wrong positions. It's a lot of things. I mean, I can just give you a list of things that we have to fix. We've been going as fast as we can since the day I started here, of changing things, hiring new staff, training staff, getting things in order.
While it was leadership that drove Fournier to leave the nonprofit, it was also leadership with a new executive director that made him decide to come back.
It was kind of a happy moment for me because Diane and I go way back.
I've seen the news accounts, I've seen the things that have happened, and I'm here to help rebuild the trust.
Diane Romaine, who worked at the nonprofit for 2 years between 2017 and 2019, says the community can expect changes going forward.
We're looking at our 90-day plan moving forward, and we've spent a lot of time on what we're going to actually do to make sure that there's accountabilities in place, make sure that something like this does not ever happen again.
Although it is only her first week as executive director, she says partner organizations have been open to rebuilding relationships.
I reached out to one organization and I said, I know that we're going to have to rebuild trust. I want to work at doing that. And it was an organization we'd had a great relationship with in the past. And they said, it's already there. We're good.
And for the biggest city in Montana, serving the most vulnerable is a responsibility Program Director Joanna King is taking seriously.
The community response to Diane's hiring has been overwhelmingly positive, and that's our attitude as well. We feel very positive.
In Billings, Vanessa Willardson, MTN News.